Hey guys, Aaron Suttonfield here with RDS Lawn Care. Wanted to shoot a quick little video to talk to you a little bit about the height of your grass and how you need to start mowing your grass as we enter the spring months and the summer months. It's gonna pick up. The mowing season is going to pick up, and many of you are going to be out cutting your grass for the first time. So I want to go over a couple of things. First thing is, make sure that your blades are sharp. If you're residential mowing, if you're doing residential mowing where you're just mowing your yard each week, you're going to mow your grass about 35 times throughout the year. Have your blade sharpened 2 times a year at least. That's going to make a big difference. So have a sharp blade to begin with. The other thing is, you should be mowing your turf between 3.5 and 4 inches. And so don't just look at your mower and adjust it to the number 4 setting and think that you're on 4 inches, because you're not. Okay, you may get lucky and your mower may be the one that's measured properly, but I can tell you that I own many mowers. We use many mowers in our mowing company, and over the years I've owned well, not thousands, I've owned a lot of mowers. I can tell you that each mower is different. Each style of mower is different, and currently we have 2 different types of mowers that we're using, and one to reach 4 inches has to be on 3.5 and the other one has to be on 4.5. So just because your mower says setting 4 does not mean 4 inches. Get a ruler out and measure the grass and determine how long is the blade. Okay, so you should be mowing between 3.5 and 4 inches each week. Mow your grass on a 7-day schedule at least. Try not to remove more than 1/4 of the blade. It's going to be very difficult in the spring when the grass is flushing and growing, but try to keep your grass at that 3.5 to 4 inch mark, and try not to skip weeks, especially in the spring, because it's going to get ahead of you and you're going to be removing way more than 1/4 of that blade. That could be damaging to the blade. Also, change the direction that you mow. That may not be possible if you have a really narrow strip. There's only one way to go, I get it. But if you have a big open square, change that direction at least 3 different directions every 3 weeks. Don't mow the same pattern each week. Those are a few tips that hopefully will help you this spring as you start to mow your grass. Sharp blades, change directions, keep it at about 3.5 to 4 inches. Don't remove more than 1/4 of the blade. If you have any questions about cutting your grass, ask them in the comments below. I'll help you out. If you're looking for an estimate to keep your grass green and weed free, click the free estimate link, and we'll give you a quote in 24 hours or less. Thank you so much.